Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm gonna probably get a lot of hate for this video, but I thought it's important and I should let you guys know. I did sell off some shares of Aurora today. I sold off 2,000 shares of my Aurora Cannabis today at a price of $9.31, I believe, US. But anyways, Canadian insiders are selling Aurora Cannabis stock. Yeah, that's right. It's not as bad as you think. Like back here when they sold off, it was heavier. But no, they're starting to sell off. I don't know if this will continue, but there are two people that sold off. Not very much, but they did sell off. They sold off. One person executed his option at $8.28, and then he sold his shares at $13.24. Another guy sold just at $12. So yeah. And then here's the option, the almost 20 million shares offered to Nelson Peltz, or his company rather. So yeah, these are the options for Nelson Peltz. So yeah, insiders are selling, the stock is dropping. Just a little bit of worry. Like, I mean, if there was some kind of deal in the works, why would these guys sell? I mean, maybe they need the money, or maybe they thought that the stock is at a high point and they should get rid of some money. I don't know, some shares. I don't know really. At the end of the day, even if Nelson Peltz joined them, there's no way a deal would be struck within a couple weeks of him joining. It's gonna be months. It's gonna be probably near the end of the year. At least that's what I think. I think we're gonna go into I think we're gonna fall, and then near the end of the year we're gonna rise again for all the hype and the deal making and all that fancy stuff. But that's just my prediction. I don't think Aurora stock's gonna keep going up and never go down for the rest of its life. Oh, absolutely not. I do not think that. But that's my 2 cents. And here's proof. You know how I usually have about 20,000 shares? I sold 2,000 shares at $9 and something cents, $9.32, I think. Here's my Tesla stock. Here's my here's my High Tide. Here's my Madman. Which I'm up a little bit. This is the Madman I bought yesterday. I bought it US, and then this morning it converted back to Canadian, which is kind of stupid and kind of pisses me off a little bit. But who cares? Whatever. I guess it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. So Aurora is just kind of floating in nowhere land right now. Volume seems to be weaker than usual, I guess. That's the best way I can explain it. We'll see where this continues. I'm concerned. I want to protect my money. The only reason why I sold only 2,000 shares, or else I would sold more, is because of tax purposes. I don't want to pay the government too much money, and I want to take some profit just in case the stock drops. I may take a little bit more profit if the stock keeps going up, but you can't take too much profit. I don't want the government on my ass. I need to pace myself when it comes to selling my Aurora stock. So no matter what, I have to be a long-term shareholder, even if I think the stock price is gonna plummet down to $6, or I guess worst case scenario $6. Largo is actually having its earnings report near the end of the day, when the market closed. According to this, it says March 26, 2019, after the close of market trading. And then the conference call will be at 10 a.m. EDT on March 27th. So that's going to be early in the morning. Maybe I'll wake up early to watch it. But definitely interested in the investor presentation. I may have to call in to watch it. Brazil, International. North America toll-free. At least they have a toll-free number. And why do you have to call in? That's so retarded. Why can't they just have it on the on a website or something? They have lots of money. They could afford a proper website and stuff. So Madman traded on a really decent volume today. 600 and already over 500,000 shares already. 700,000 shares. That's a lot of shares, and it's only at the start of the morning. We're less than an hour into the market, and it's already traded 700,000 shares. Very, very strong volume at the very start of the day. I like to see that. It did spike in the morning. Now it pulled back, which is healthy. It should do that. I'm hoping it pulls back, you know, back to 441. I just want to add a little bit more, but I want to do it at a good price. So come on, please pull back just a little bit. I'm hoping. I don't know if it will, but I'm hoping. Damn it, Madman. As you can tell, the middle of the Bollinger Band and the 50-day moving average, it's slowly moving up. They are 12 cents from crossing over. That's oh, I guess it just went up another penny just as I was talking. It's $3.96. So it's literally 11 cents from crossing each other. That's a very, very, very good sign. I think by the end of the week they should be like almost touching. So next week could be a very, very, very nice week for Madman. I'm hoping anyways. I don't know for sure. That's all I can do is hope, because I'm a big shareholder. I would like for it to fall back just a little bit more so I can buy some. I may have to buy it up there. I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm definitely eyeing eyeing Madman because I still want to buy more shares, even though I have a lot already. High Tide bounced today on super low volume. 50,000 shares for a bounce of 49 cents. It went all the way up to 50 cents, pulled back to 49 cents. It seems like, the resistance is real. It won't go, the support line is real. It won't seem to go below 47.5 or 46. So yeah, it doesn't, like, when it hits this very bottom, someone buys, boom, it goes up. So it's kind of strange that way. I don't really get the stock market. I guess that's what you call a support line. So when it hits that support line, it doesn't need that much volume for it to go up. At least, just my opinion. I could totally be wrong. I think I'm gonna go back to making my Kush Bardo video. I had a Kush Bardo video. I put it on the off the sidelines for over 6 months now, and I think I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna make one, and I'm gonna release it on my stock market membership group. To be fair, I like Kush Bardo's. It's okay. It's a decent company, but the stock price right now is kind of under pressure. It could reverse itself. It could cross again and become bullish, but as of now, it's on a downtrend. Canopy Growth this morning down another 33 cents. The stock doesn't seem to want to rise. It's just every day. It's just like little bit by little bit. Tomorrow should be like almost touching, or Thursday should be almost touching. Or even touching, or even Thursday could be the day where it crosses. Thursday or Friday. That's why I predict Thursday or Friday it will cross. So we'll see what happens. Kronos had earnings today. It wasn't too good. They made like $5 million of revenue. I don't even know how much money they lost, but who cares how much money they lost? Who cares how much money they make? Altura invested $2.4 billion into them. So if they hit a certain price, someone's gonna buy them. If they go back to like freaking $10 US, yeah, that would definitely be an attractive buy. Or even like $12 US would be an attractive buy. Tesla. Tesla is going up today, even though it's on a downtrend. I'm actually kind of disappointed. I mean, it's nice because I still have some shares and I'm making my money back, but I wanted to buy it. I wanted to buy it at like $2 and $250, but it didn't go down. It went the opposite way. It went up. I'm just a little bit pissed off about that, but hey, whatever. It's still on a downtrend, so it could fall back down to 251. So as long as it's on a downtrend, I still have hope that the stock could go back down to 250. I'm definitely going to be making a big purchase at 250. NEO. I made a prediction. I made a bold prediction that NEO was going to hit $5 US. I made it on Al's channel. I said I think NEO's going to go to $5 US. And now it's at $5.13. At $5 US, I would definitely be taking a position if I notice it on time. If it goes below $5, I'm definitely gonna make it. But I'm not really paying attention to NEO. I don't care too much if I didn't buy any NEO. But NEO is just pure speculation for me, anyways. XENA is XENA popped today. There is no news on XENA, but XENA popped today. I think XENA could fall further. I don't think this is anywhere close to the bottom, but that's just my opinion. I could totally be wrong. This is just my reasoning that it's still on a downtrend. The purple line is over the orange line. It's near the bottom. I think it's gonna keep skirting at the bottom, but I could be totally wrong, and it just somehow pop back up to $3.82, maybe somehow. But to me, it looks like it's downtrending. I'm glad I sold out, even though I sold out at a loss. I sold out at about $3.35 and 30 cents. I sold out all my shares. I bought about 100,000 shares of XENA, around $3.45. So that's, I don't know how many shares that would be. I totally forgot, but it's about $100,000. 30,000 shares. That's about, I bought about 30,000 shares of XENA at $3.45 ish. So it's about $100,000. And then I saw this purple line, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna bail out because it's on a downtrend. So I sold out, and the stock dropped all the way down to $3, like to the low $3, like 301, I think. I could have picked them up, but it's still downtrending. I'm gonna be careful. Maybe in the future I might try to camp it a little better, but right as of now, I'm not touching it. Until if it goes to like $2.50, I'll start another position back into XENA. I'm gonna do a more dedicated video in the future on XENA, but as of now, that's it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. If you probably gonna get more thumbs down than thumbs up, but if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.